Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting and informative log of Our Daily Diaries. June 5th, we all know about it, World's Environment Day. We plant trees, do community awareness and many other activities to protect the environment. But is it really enough to support the environment? The answer is no. There are many species in our planet which are walking the road of extinction. Are we doing anything for that? Or at least are we aware of it? It's really sad to annotate that these beautiful creations are at the verge of extinction. One such species is elephant. To give a brief, the ancestor of elephant was a pig-sized animal that lived around 55 million years ago. There were about 250 species of elephants and elephant-like creatures that roamed around our planet. Elephants belong to the family called Elephantidia, and Elephantidia is the only surviving family of the order Proboscidea. Till today, there are three different species of elephants recognized. They are African bush elephant, African forest elephant, and Eurasian elephant. For ease, based on the geographical and biological nature of the elephants, we can divide them into African and Asian elephants. It is estimated that the population of elephant have dropped by 62% over the last decade, and they could be extinct by end of next decade. The main reason for drop in elephant numbers is because of us, we humans, illegal poaching and destruction of their natural habitat. I'm not sure if you're aware on this data. Close to 100 elephants are killed per day in Africa for their body part, ivory and meat. The history of elephant poaching started way back from 14th century BCE. The elephant ivories from Asia and Africa are exported to different parts of the world for making jewelries, souvenirs and many other decorative items. Another interesting fact is, till 80s, the elephant ivories were used for baking piano keys and even for making billiard balls. Due to all these reasons, there was rapid increase in poaching of elephants. To explore the reason for why there was rapid increase in poaching, we need to go back to 70s and 80s. During this period, there was no monitoring on trade with respect to wild animals. So large number of wild animals were killed in different parts of the world for making use of their ivories and other body parts. Based on the studies, it is estimated that close to half of the elephant populations were killed till 1989 because the trade were not regulated. This gave immense support to the poachers and other illegal traders to kill elephant and to take out their ivories. During 1989, the illegal poaching was completely banned by CITES. CITES is the body that regulates all the activities and trade with respect to endangered species. The illegal poaching of elephants was banned for 10 years. The purpose of this ban was to protect the elephants from illegal poachers. And with the help of this ban, the population of elephants started increasing. So within a span of 10 years, they rapidly recovered their population. However, it was not sufficient enough to reopen the trade. After a ban of 10 years, CITES reopened the ivory trade during 1999 with a view of selling off all the accumulated ivories which are gathered from natural death of elephants. This even encouraged the illegal poachers to kill more elephants and to accumulate the ivories, with a view that CITES will be reopening the trade in near future. As the illegal poachers expected, CITES again reopened the trade on 2008, which again resulted in rapid increase in poaching of elephants. The reopening of ivory trade during 2008 again sent out a message to the world that the ivory trade will be reopening in future. This again resulted in rapid increase in kill of elephants. After reopening of trade in 2008, there were tons of ivories which were seized across the globe, and there was no option and which was simply destroyed. There were also cases and news across the globe stating that the elephant ivories were taken illegally, but they are sold legally in the market. Based on the studies and statistics, it shows that in many parts of China and Hong Kong, the ivories which are taken illegally are sold legally. In spite of all these cases, there are many countries in the globe which have completely banned the ivory products. This was a huge support for elephant lives. Compared to African elephants, the Asian elephants are on a better spot because there are much better regulations in place to protect them. But still, even Asian elephants are considered under endangered. Till now, we were focusing on the incidents from different parts of the world. Even though there are remote cases where elephants are being killed, but India is a country where elephants are highly respected and protected. I thought of sharing this information with you guys because recently I heard a news that a pregnant elephant was killed in Kerala. This was a terrible incident. But the statistics and studies prove that Kerala is one among the states in India where elephants are highly respected and protected. Elephants have always been a part of our culture and tradition. Rather than creeping on the past, it's time for us to think and to take preventive measures to ensure that these incidents are not happening in future. So what we can do to protect these endangered species? One effective way is by avoiding the use of animal-based products. The studies and statistics shows that the elephant population was in billions few decades ago. However, they are just in few lakhs now. So it's our responsibility to protect and conserve these majestic animals. It's high time for us to understand that we coexist in this planet rather than dominating it. Or else nature will find its way to make the balance. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, today I'm not telling you guys to like and subscribe this channel. But make sure that you are sharing this information with your friends and families so that even they will get to know the importance of conserving elephant.